Garudasana Eagle Pose. At first, transfer your weight into your left foot. Lift your right foot and cross over your left thigh as high up the thigh as possible. Hook your right foot around your left calf. Bring your both arm out in front of you. Bend your arms and cross the left arm over the right, hooking at the elbows. Keep your spine straight and maintain focus. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds. Slowly strengthen your left knee and gently release your twisted arms and legs. Repeat the asana with opposite arm and leg. Benefits of Garudasana Eagle Pose. Strengthen and stretches the ankle and clips. Stretches the thighs, hips, shoulders and upper back. Improves concentration. Improves sense of balance. Contraindications of Garudasana: elbow injuries, knee injuries, ankle injuries, severe knee pain and arthritis.